So in this video we'll see how to convert from MP4 into MP3. I will use here VLC media player. So here in media option, click on convert and save. So this option, I will remove this previous file, then click on add files. So here I will select the MP4 file. So this is the file, it's a small file for this demo, and click on convert and save. After that, here I will select MP3, audio MP3 option. Then click on browse and give the name for the MP3 file. I will just type 2 and save. Then click on start and it will start converting. So it's a small file, so it's converted fast. I will open the file now, but first I will open my MP4 video file.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
So this is the video file, and this file which is converted into MP3. So you can see here is converted to MP3 option. I will open it.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Does your friend speak English?
So this is how we can convert it using VLC player. And the second option is we can convert the MP4 file through online also. So if I go to Google and type here MP4 to MP3 converter, then there is so many websites. So for this video I will open one website which I already opened here, and we'll see almost all the websites are same method. So I will click on choose file, and again this file here, if I click on convert, the file will start uploading. After that it will convert it into MP3, and then it will give an option to download the file. Next is using the video editor software. So here I am using CapCut. So I will click on import file and then import the video file, as we are importing it for video editing. I will drag it to the timeline, and if I play
Do
it,
you speak English?
Yes, a little.
Does your friend speak English?
so you can see it's a video file, and to convert and save in MP3 just click on export. And for video we are selecting the video, so here I will unselect it and I will just select audio and MP3. Then give the name to your file. So this conversation 3, I will type it and click on export. It's very fast. Now we'll see the exported file.
Okay.
Do you speak English?
Yes, a little. Which is.
How many languages?
So it's done. So this is how we can convert MP4 to MP3 using several methods.